Welcome to Warrior Work. We're doing the Shaolin Broadsword. I'm Coach Hill. Again, the Tiger Tornado Broadsword. In this segment, we're going to just review everything we've done up to this point, walking through it so you can follow along with me. I'm going to talk and walk you through the form. Again, once you can get the form up to this point by following along with me, you'll be ready for the final segment to close everything off. Very important when you're doing the form, think in terms again of the direction I'm facing is 12 o'clock, so 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, so you can use that as an orientation to where you're at when you're learning the form. You can also do the form in terms of outward circles and inward circles, straight lines, 45-degree up right, 45-degree up left, so that way you learn to think in terms of those geometric patterns. It will help you to understand the form better and to learn it much quicker. Okay, so we're going to walk through it. Again, we're starting, feet together, sink, upward butt, outward circle, cut down, inward circle left, outward circle right, come behind the back, cut up 45 degrees, fingers pointing back. Cut horizontally. After you've done the complete horizontal cut, the tip goes backwards, comes above the head, push right, push out left. Again, block with the edge of the blade, come behind the back, and cut up 45. Again, we're going to step with our left foot all the way through, circle, and push or ward off. Come behind the head again, step behind with our left foot, cut up with our 45-degree cut, knee and butt, thrust. Cross step, double outward thrust, and shuffle away our block cut. Step with the right foot, spinning again this very basic cut, cutting up, cut through, and push back, step back, left hand goes to the hip, come behind the back, cut down, circle,